My name is Max Young. I'm a Camunda champion, a certified Camunda architect with Camunda, a principal with Capital BPM, platinum partner with Camunda, and the 2024 Partner of the Year for the American continent. Today, I want to talk to you about BPM and AI. Specifically, I want to talk about how you should be thinking about AI and how it can help your BPM automation processes. So the first thing I'll leave with you is this idea that you want to be thinking in terms of a temporal architecture. And what I mean by that is an architecture that's designed to change and evolve over time. The way you think about it at the beginning is not the way you're going to be thinking about it at the end. As you're building out your BPM processes, you want to be thinking first and foremost about what you wish you had so you could train an AI model to be able to do this for you in an automated way. So when you get to a decision point, for example, when you have to route a task based on the details of what the customer says, think about what you're actually analyzing in order to make that decision. Start capturing that information, correlate it to an output. Do that consistently as you're going through your system so that you know how to train the system so that it can actually gain intelligence. And I mean intelligence in the academic sense of information that's useful so that in the future it can actually give you the things that you need. So you build your process, you start using Elasticsearch and the BI engines to capture key information. You start running the results of your process, correlating with the information that was in there, and then you start training your system. The system starts giving you data. It starts saying, hey, I would have told you to route this to engineering instead of sales, or this goes to marketing, or this is management, or this should have timed out. It will probably be wrong. But the more information you give it after the first couple of months, the 6 months, the first couple of years, it's going to get more and more invaluable insights into exactly how you're running your systems. So as you're doing that, you start having it run alongside in shadow mode and give advice. Hey, when a customer says this, consider routing it to engineering. When a customer says this might be an indicator of sales. Get your people who are actually using the system to give the system feedback. Good boy, that's right. Bad girl, that's the wrong way to do it. And then as you're going through this, make sure that you are reaching some sort of a consensus, some kind of a consistent building of a higher and higher correlation value between the decisions that a human being would make and the decisions that the AI system is advising you to do. Now, that's purely from a routing perspective. I'm not talking about the other wonderful things that AI can do for you, like parse documents and detect fraud, integrate with external systems, and all that stuff. That's all super valid. But what I'm talking about right now is the basic blocking and tackling. If you do nothing else in 2024, as you're building your Camunda BPM processes, you've got to be thinking about how you're going to invest in your future by cultivating the data that you need so that your systems can be doing this work for you and your people can go on and do more important things that really require human judgment. Let's give us any feedback, info@capbpm.com or capbpm.com online. Thank you.